Hey guys, it's the Pokemon Collector back here. I'm kind of looking for Pokemon Heart Gold or Soul Silver. If any of you guys have got one spare, or any of you guys have got one that you may trade, depending on the trade, then I'm pretty sure we can work something out, whether in the US or the UK. Preferably UK because it'd be cheaper. But I mean, if I can't get anything from the UK, I don't mind trading to the America. It'd have to be USA. I don't know about Canada. I don't know about the games. I know that American games work on our consoles. So I'd be willing to trade nearly any card I have, or nearly any game, or even one of my games and some cards. I'd match the value of the actual game. Whether it's Pokemon Heart Gold or Silver, I'm not really mind. I mean, I'd add in a few other cards if it was if it came with a Pokewalker. I would like the box and the instructions with it. If you don't, then that'd lower the value, obviously, because in the future, if I ever want to sell it on, it would need the box. So yeah, so I need Pokemon Heart Gold, Soul Silver. If you got one for trade, got one lying around that you don't really play with, and you're thinking, might as well trade it, then yeah, I will trade for it. I've tried to make it so I've got Yu-Gi-Oh, Card Fight Vanguard and Pokemon in the background, and obviously the PS Vita box. I might actually just put it over. Yeah, so let's got the picture. Anyway, so yeah, if you've got one of each of them, or I'd probably trade for both actually. I want both. Both of the Pokewalkers, obviously. If you don't have a Pokewalker, I'll still trade for it anyway, but I'd also want to trade for a version with the Pokewalker, or for the Pokewalker in itself. And anyway, so thanks guys, and goodbye.